What's up? What's up, YouTube? No. I'm gonna be playing some Retro Bowl. Now, I've already gonna start a new one as Minnesota. But I also have, I can change your names and kick returner and stuff. I just have to fix this one. But it's all on. I'm going to be playing for a little bit. I can't wait to play it again. I think I'm going to be doing a very wide receiver for kickoff. If you need, want me to change it for another video or something, I will do that. You just gotta comment down and I'll change it. To running back. Yeah, running back, wide receiver, and any wide receiver you want. And a running back. Just tell me which one you want. That's it for you. Now we're already playing a game. I'm not that good. We're trying to return the kick. Hopefully this works. I ain't really good at it. That was close, right? Listen, I know you saw the dynamic one down there. It's alright. I'll be changing it soon. Well, maybe not change it. I just want it to get harder every game I play. So, the playoffs are, super duper hard. Touchdown already. My goal is to get 100 subs so I can get, maybe not just 50 subs to go live. I just want to get 100 subs so I can just pass the goal that I was originally wanting to do. But, yeah. Dang, it did another touchdown. Alright. I'm probably going to be changing it pretty here shortly. After this game, I'll be probably changing it to either medium or hard, because medium isn't that bad. Yeah, I'll probably just do hard. I have not played any games on this. This is literally the only one on this Vikings franchise. Hopefully we can get a lot of rings, more than Bill Belichick. Wow, first play that didn't go for a touchdown right away. Get off to a running back for a couple yards on the ground. Always good to do that. See if it's to a tight end. Nice. Also, if you're wondering, I did not put the background music in because I don't know what happened, because the last time I put Baseball 9 and it gave me a copyright strike for that, so, well, not a copyright strike, the song was copyright. Soon I'll be doing Xbox recordings for my phone. I think I want to do Twitch streaming too on Sunday. Just had to give me a little while. I'm not like I'll probably do like Madden and stuff. It depends. Classroom. Sorry about that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I should have put that on there, not disturb. Well, y'all, this is probably gonna be my last day for tonight. But for sure, tomorrow I'll be doing a couple games, maybe 2 or 3.